Have you ever been in the middle of a hot crypto deal, ready to dive in head first, only to be slapped in the face with a pesky Coinbase limit? It's like being at the starting line of a race, revved up and ready, but your car won't start. Frustrating, right? Well, today we're going to flip that script and get you over that hurdle. We're talking about how to supercharge your Coinbase limit and take control of your crypto journey. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why these limits even exist. Coinbase, like any financial institution, has to play by certain rules. It's all about know your customer, KYC, regulations, and preventing fraud, money laundering, and other shady stuff. So, while it might be annoying to hit a wall, it's also a necessary evil. Alright, let's cut to the chase. How do you actually increase your Coinbase limit? Step 1. Verify your identity. This is the foundation of everything. Coinbase needs to know who you are to trust you with more money. So, break out your ID, proof of address, and selfie stick. The higher the verification level, the higher your potential limit. It might feel like a drag, but it's worth it in the long run. Step 2. Build your trading history. Coinbase likes to see that you're a regular Joe or Jane when it comes to crypto. Consistent trading activity, even in small amounts, can boost your credibility. It shows Coinbase that you're a real person using their platform, not a bot or a money launderer. Step 3. Connect your bank account. Linking your bank account to Coinbase can also help increase your limits. It's like giving Coinbase a little extra trust boost. Plus, it opens up more deposit and withdrawal options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Security is a big deal for Coinbase. By turning on two-factor authentication, you're showing them that you take security seriously. This can improve your account standing and potentially lead to higher limits. Step 5. Be patient. Increasing your limit isn't always an instant process. It can take some time for Coinbase to review your account and make a decision. So, don't panic if you don't see results overnight. Now, let's talk about some additional tips and tricks. Consider using a Coinbase Pro account. It often comes with higher limits. Also, be mindful of your trading behavior. Avoid making large, unusual deposits or withdrawals, as this can raise red flags. Remember, everyone's situation is different. What works for one person might not work for another. It's all about building trust with Coinbase. Be patient, follow the rules, and you'll eventually reach your desired limit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.